Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now in this video, I will share with you a design concept in designing dashboard using Excel pivot table. So here is a pivot chart that is created with pivot table, right? It's very easy to create that. It's just that we go over here and we have the data here, right? So maybe copy this and we go to the insert, go to pivot table and use the existing sheet, right, and click on this here and click OK. And we go to drag the amount and the order country. Okay, and then we do a filtering. Value top 10, we're only interested in the top 5, right? So we did top 5 and we have the top 5 items, and we go to the pivot table, analyze, and click on the pivot chart, and we go for pie chart, click OK, and it looks great. And now I want to do some formatting. I can just right click, number format, custom format. It's right here. I go for the number format, use 1000 separator, no decimal point, just put it 0, click OK, and you have this data. And how do we get a label there? We just right click and add a data label, and that's about it, right? So if you learn about just how to create pivot chart, and that's all. Okay, that's all you can see. You can easily see the value, right? And in dashboard design, however, it's different, right? Because we want to do some sorting to help them easy to sort the most important items. So we go to sort largest to smallest. Okay, we have a largest to smallest, and pretty good right now. The legends, I should move it to down there, right? So we can right click and do format legend, change it to bottom. Pretty good. Okay, maybe the titles you can change that as well, right? So, and how to remove this button here, right? You can go to pivot chart and pivot field. Okay, cool, right? Cool. So we can drag, adjust this thing, right? And over here. Okay. In the past 10 years, I teach students to learn about this, right? Because that's all I know, right? Because I'm not a dashboard designer, right? And I thought this dashboard designer is very hard, right? Because you must have some special skill, right? And all they know is that dashboard is actually possible to learn, right? So how do you do that, right? It's like 30,000 to that, right? Let's look at that. But why do we do what we do? That is a key important things I want to know. I want to share with you is that now you have the data like this, right? And you can change the titles, you can have this, but that is not what the C-levels people want to know, right? They want to see this at a glance. So how do you see at a glance? Change the 30,000 to 30K, 5,000 to 5K, 1,000 to 2K. Close approximate is what they want to see, right? They give a roughly idea. They don't need to see the details, right? Unless they want to see details, you can show them, right? Now, next we look at what is that? Why is that different? Why is it different? Right? And this is because there's a best practice in dashboard design. It's called anticipate user needs and goals. Who is the one that finally used your dashboard or your pivot chart? Why is it they want to see this? Because C-level are very busy people, and they want to see a figure and then they can strategize it. What's next? So if you ask them to see and look at this 30,000, oh wow, they want to study how many zero, what is that? But actual facts, right? They just want to see a picture, then they can see, and from there they can move on to do their strategic movement, right? 30,000. And when we learn about a basic level of Excel skill, we learn how to put 1,000 separator, and I just show you that, right? And in design of a dashboard, I teach you how to change to 30,000, right? So not only that, there are more than this, right? The best practice. If you follow my yesterday video, you got this thing, right? So how do you change from 30,000 to 30,000, right? You go to this one to here, right? So is that here is the balance of it, right? So from let's say it's 12 million, you can change it to by using this thing here. You can change, right click the number format and then go here and then go to custom and type this out, hash comma space, yeah, there's a space here, and then M for meeting, right? All C levels know that what does that mean. So thank you for watching this video, and here is a step-by-step things that I prepare for my student who want to go for my Speed Excel Manager to C level coaching and consulting services and training, right? So thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus love.